In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate averages and percentages in Google Sheets. If you're working with numbers in a spreadsheet, knowing how to quickly find an average or calculate a percentage can save you a lot of time. The good news is that Google Sheets makes both tasks very simple once you know the basic formula structure. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to enter each formula and format the result, so it's easy to read. Let's start with calculating an average. First, click on the cell where you want the average to appear. This is the cell that will display the final result. So choose a clear location that makes sense for your sheet. Once that cell is selected, type equals average, followed by an opening parenthesis. This tells Google Sheets that you want to use the average function. Next, highlight the range of cells you want to average, such as a 1 through a 10. You can do this by clicking and dragging across the cells, and Google Sheets will automatically place that range into your formula. After that, add a closing parenthesis and press Enter. The sheet will instantly calculate the average of the selected values and display it in the cell you chose. This is a great way to summarize data like test scores, sales figures, or survey results. Now, let's move on to percentages. Click the cell where you want the percentage to appear. Then type an equals sign and click the cell that contains the part value. After that, type a /, which means divided by, and then click the cell that contains the total value. Press Enter to complete the formula. At this point, Google Sheets will usually display the answer as a decimal. To make that number easier to understand, click the Format as Percentage button in the top toolbar. It looks like a percent symbol. Once you click it, the decimal will be converted into a recognizable percentage format. This makes your data much more readable and professional, especially if you're creating reports or tracking progress. As a quick tip, always double-check that the part value is being divided by the total value in the correct order, since reversing them will give you the wrong result. Also, make sure the cells you're using contain numeric data, or your formulas may not calculate as expected. Thanks for watching.